Good morning and welcome. Look at this view. It's crazy. Wow. I think you're missing a gym, Catherine.
Yeah.
We are so ready to explore the jungle. Hello and welcome to a new day here in actually today very sunny Khao Sok. We have got some awesome plans for today. We are going on our own without a guide, without any tours, without anything. We are just me and Catherine out in the jungle today. There should be some marked paths that you can walk in Khao Sok, and then we'll go to some of them and explore the beauty of Khao Sok on our own. And it's pretty hot today. It's the perfect weather for a little hike, I think. And today's hike is represented by Gamble flip-flops. Yeah, the perfect hiking footwear, I think. Here in Khao Sok you have to pay a national park entrance fee to come inside to the park, and we really hope that we can use our tickets from yesterday. Unfortunately we had to pay the entrance fee once again of 300 baht. So we just surfaced a sign that says that you can't walk in here without a guide, but we read online that you should just go ahead and do it. There's no one to control that you're here, so you can just go this way, and it's a much more of a real hike than being on a road. So yeah, you don't want to fall into this tree. Ouch.
I ran a song.
Give me the beat. Okay, unfortunately it looks like my battery is gonna die very soon, so this is probably the last clip you'll see from Khao Sok National. No, not from Khao Sok in general, but from this hike. I'll put it to charge when I come back home. Okay, so welcome back from the jungle. I left you guys in the jungle, I'm pretty sorry about that. I got some battery on my camera again. We just chilled out at the hotel. Nothing really happened. We just went back from the hike, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we are on our way to go grab some pretty late lunch. One of my favorite dishes here in Thailand is this stuff. It is called pad siu. It is rice noodles in soya sauce with the chicken and vegetables, and it's holy goddamn good. I love pad siu. So we just returned home from the Rasta bar, and yeah, we are both exhausted. So I think it's gonna be something relaxing we're gonna do today. I'm still trying to catch up with the editing. I'm still far behind, but I'm catching up. According to my vlog, we are still in Koh Tao, but actually we are here in Khao Sok. But yeah, I'll try to catch up. Whoa, I think there's a massive thunderstorm going on out here. Looks pretty grey. Here in Khao Sok during the night, it really gets not cold, but kind of chill. We're not used to this actually. In both Bangkok and Koh Tao, it has been much warmer at this time of the day. But actually it's fine by me. It is a nice temperature. I think it's around 22 degrees, something like that. We're just on our way to the city. We are living just a few hundred meters from the main town, and then actually it's basically just a ghost town. There is nothing happening here in the evening, so we'll see if we can grab some late dinner here and find a way to come to Koh Yao Noi tomorrow, because that's our next destination. I think I'll go with this beautiful hat. How do you guys like it? Please comment down below if you like it. Okay, so it looks like we have to go to a Krabi town tomorrow before we can go to Koh Yao Noi. So we'll go to Krabi town and we have already booked the tickets. Show them the tickets. Do it, do it. The tickets. Show them. Yeah, the ticket. Okay, so we're not so hungry today, so I think we'll do some snacks. Go with the dressing for vegetables. Nothing to report from here. We just spent the whole night inside the room. I did some editing. Everything is good. We are ready to leave tomorrow. It has been a nice year in Khao Sok, but I can't wait to see a beach again. Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow.